What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have something special right now. If you are looking at this video, stop what you're doing and go to the Home Depot website. They are doing a special Impact DEWALT driver. DEWALT Impact driver. The new one. The one where you can do your three settings on it, and then this comes free with it. It is a DEWALT battery, power stack battery, and we are going to go through this and test it out. It says 50% more power, and we will find that out later. This one is 29% shorter. And let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And if you have not yet checked out the video where I have this cool blade slash scraper, go check that video out. You won't be disappointed. All right, here we go. We have the belt clip on. And then we have instructions, which nobody looks at. And then we have the smallest drill on the market. Wow. Very small drill, very small. You guys, they said this is 3.75 inches. We are going to test that out. We have 3 settings right here. 1, 2, 3, and then we have the power stack battery free. So basically how it works is when you put both of these in the cart, one is 75 and then the other one is 75, but the drill usually is 180, almost close to $200 by itself. The battery and the charger is almost close to like $150. This is over 50% savings right now as we speak. We have the battery, power stack. It's a 20 volt power stack, 20 volts. So you could press the button right here and it indicates that it's only one battery. Put it right on in, one level charge. Just to give y'all a warning, I haven't had a DEWALT unit in almost 15 years. So this is my first DEWALT in 15 years. Well, third. Okay, so you have the lights. It's a 3 light set on it, and the lights stay on for a good while. Let's measure it. This is approximately 3 7/8 from the tip of the impact all the way to the back of the impact. This will be the everyday drill for everyone. I think the minimum is 240, the middle is 1500, and then the last one is 1,825 inch-pounds of torque. And the weight is only 2 pounds. And with the battery, can't really tell a difference, but this is pretty good. And that's about it with that. We are going to test this out. Y'all see the difference on this? 4 inches. The other one got to be 7 inches on that. This is my Ryobi, the one I've been using. This is from my Ryobi kit. I did a review on this a long time ago. I may need to do an upgraded review. That review wasn't really the best quality, but I did do a review on the Ryobi kit that I got. But anyways, we are here for this baby right here. This is right now one of my favorite tools of the year. All right, so we're on level 1, and we are going to use my Ryobi bit set that I have. I do want to get a DEWALT bit set, but I do need these impact driver bits right here. So we are going to use these. Sorry, DEWALT fans. I'm gonna put that right there. All right, to put this in, you have to push this out. Just in case you don't know, I know the ones who already have this, or the ones who already use this already know, but you got to push up and then put that in. And then it sinks in. It don't come out unless you push back. Push up and then pull out. So we got our forehead. We have our 3-inch screws. And we are going to test this out. So here we go. Level 1. All right. That's level 1, you guys. So level 1 is not for framing. Okay. Level 2. Level 2 you can use for framing. And of course, we got it on level 3 right now. And if level 2 goes in, then you know level 3 will go in. This thing is smooth and I love it. That was easy. Okay, that's if you want to frame. Okay, you guys, I'm going to do a drywall test. I got it on level 1 right now. And I missed. Of course, I will miss on the video, right? Here we go. Try this again. All right, so that's level 1. Real quick before the battery dies, I got it on level 2. And I missed again. Level 1 was okay. Let's try level 2. So level 2 is good. Let's go to level 3, see if it'll sink in a little bit more. So level 3 sunk in a little bit more. All right, so that's pretty good as far as the drywall bit. Like I said, this is a Cobalt. I'll see if I could find it on Lowe's, and then I'll put a link in the description in case you want this drywall bit. That's in. You put your mud on top and use a sponge or whatever you want to do. Sponge it, sand it, whatever you want to do. So just showing y'all that real quick for the drywall workers out there. Okay, you guys, so the real reason why I got this is, 1, it was a sale. Okay, but I did want more compact stuff this year due to the fact I have this tool book bag, which I did a review on. If you haven't seen it, I will post a link. It's just easier to throw in, and you will never know the difference because the weight of this is only 2 pounds. Also, which I love this tool holder, drill holder, nail holder. I love this. I did a review of this also. Link will be in the description. 4 inches, fits right on in, no hassles. This probably will be my everyday tool. So I'm hooking up my tool bag as we speak. This was very expensive last year by itself, but right now it's on sale. So hopefully you can still be linked into that sale. I don't know if the sale's still going on. Hopefully it is, so you can take advantage of it. But I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated on what sales is out, and I will try to, I will try to get y'all ahead of time instead of being too late to the party. So that's it with this DEWALT driver review, and hopefully you like the review. Let me know if you need to know anything else, and I'll catch y'all on the next review. Like, comment, and subscribe.